Hi everyone! It's Halloween week here at Linguajoy, and we thought today we'd show you how to carve a pumpkin. So, first you want to have your materials. You'll need a pumpkin, preferably with some markings there for the face. You'll need a bowl so that you can put all the seeds and pumpkin flesh inside. A marker if you want to mark out or draw your own type of face. And then various utensils. A spoon is handy to help scoop out the seeds, and a fork might also help to scrape some of the inside. And then you'll need your carving knives. And we should mention that kids should not do this alone. They should always have their parents with them to assist. Okay, so first, I'm going to make a hole actually here in the bottom of the pumpkin, and that's where we'll start scooping out the inside. So we'll turn him upside down on his head, and let's see, maybe I can draw first an outline so I know where to cut. Okay, that's good. And now we will voila! We've taken the bottom out, so as you can see, there's lots of seeds inside the pumpkin, which are really, really good if you roast them in the oven with a little bit of salt. So we can put that here to the side, and as you can see inside, lots of seeds and flesh. So now what you need to do is take your spoon or your fork and really start loosening up all the insides, getting all the seeds and some of the pumpkin meat out of there so that we can put our candle inside. Okay, so seems pretty empty inside now. So let's start carving the face. So you can follow the stickers that they've got here, or if you want to draw your own face, you can do so with a marker and then start cutting away. So I think I might draw a quick outline. Peel these away. And we'll start carving. There we go, 2 eyes. Right, there we go. We've got our face. So we can just clean up the inside a little bit, and then we can test out our candle. Okay, so now that we've carved our pumpkin's face, and we have our hole here in the bottom, all you need is a small tea candle and something to light it with. And then we will place our pumpkin on top. there we go. We've got our very own jack-o'-lantern.